So we're out in Clare today, up near the barn, and we're installing a PV system there, a GoodWe, first of its kind with a changeover switch. So it's a 9 kilowatt system with 20 panels, and we'll be having a changeover on it as well for a backup system.
So we're on site today with Future Power, a professional large installer in Ireland, along with Western Solar, the distributors we have in Ireland. The guys have been fantastic. Today they've managed to install 20 panels on the roof, along with the full ESA All-in-One inverter and batteries.
So the steps of the installation, you'd have firstly the panel array would be installed on the roof. So our roofing team would come along, they'd fit and cut into the slate flashing kits, then they'd install the railing system along with the hooks and bolts, and then they'd install the solar panels. So that takes typically 5-6 hours. And then you'd move along then with the solar for the inverter system. Then we'd install the AC and the DC, the cabling, trunking, isolators, switches, switchgear. That typically takes up to a day, including installation of the inverter as well, and then onto the commissioning phase then.
There's lots of USPs around our new ESA. So we've got a 1C charge and discharge. So from a 5 kilowatt inverter with a 5 kilowatt or an 8 kilowatt hour battery, you can get 1C. So you can charge, discharge at that 5 kilowatt rate, or whatever size inverter you put on, your charge and discharge rate is governed by the inverter. So with one inverter and one battery, you've got a full 1C discharge, which is a game changer in the market. We've also got full 200% oversizing on the inverter, so you can oversize that by 200% to make the most of any roof space. And from that 200%, you can utilize the energy into the house and also utilize the energy straight into the battery. So if you are producing 10 kilowatts of power on the roof through a 5 kilowatt inverter, you can send 5 kilowatts into the house and 5 kilowatts into the battery. It's an absolute game changer.
So the GoodWe kit, it offers a lot more incentive there to move along with this type of system, because it offers a lot more deliverance with backup systems as well. It has built into it as well automatic backup. It also has built into it its MPPT as well, so it can take a lot more capacity of the system. And it's just in general an easy product to install. It's a lot sleeker, and it's IP66, so it's rated for outdoor as well. So it's a lot more robust in terms of water, dust, rust, anything like that. So it's an all-around strong system, so we'll be highly recommended and going forward. So it was an easy system to put together. You have the base, you have the battery, then you have the inverter. It was a few raw bolts and plugs and screws, very simple for any electrician to install, and very straightforward the process as well. Standard and efficient. I would highly recommend them, yeah. Process from the installation, it's a lightweight inverter, so it's a lot easier on the back as well for manual labour. And they're a clean, efficient system as well. And the installation's only, it's something that's a lot easier to install than what we've had with other systems. I think, yeah, they're coming back into Ireland now. We trained in GoodWe there a long time ago, several years ago, and I'd like to see them back in Ireland as well. And the support is there, the good team, nice and friendly to work with as well. So I'd like to see them back in Ireland, and we're proud to say we're the first installer in Ireland, in the west of Ireland, to install a substantial size system with a changeover switch. So we're looking forward to doing more of these systems.